Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So hereby we are going to see a admission notification. So here it is a training institute which is MRF Driver Development Institute. The institute is located in Red Hills, Chennai. So the institute is offering three courses which is basically the driver training. Those who all are willing to start their career in driver as a driver, so they can join. So here the age limit which is 20 to 28. Those who all are in that category, they can join. The minimum education should be 10th or else SSLC cleared, so they will be admitted to the courses based on the first come first serve method. So if some corporate companies which are willing to take a refresher course, they can also contact to the institute. In the description box I will give the link. So here the application cost means the course for a time being it's a 6 week 12 week based on the light motor vehicle as well as heavy motor vehicle as well as two-wheeler also they are offering. So for two-wheeler it is 2000 rupees, for the light motor vehicle it is 4000 rupees, and for heavy motor vehicle it is 14,000 rupees. So here the courses which is very familiar, and those who want to sustain as a driver in this particular sector, they can join. And the institutes or else companies which they are trying to recruit, they can also contact to the MRF Institute for Driver Development. So please do subscribe to Revamp It YouTube channel to get more similar updates. Thank you.